The process to quote from PDF files in SecturaFAB differs for vector-based PDFs and raster-based PDFs. Vector PDFs contain geometry and are often the result of exporting from a 3D modeling software. Upload vector PDFs with the CAD Files button and follow the same steps you learned in the Upload and Edit DXF Files video. Raster PDFs are essentially images. They do not contain geometry. A quick way to spot a raster file is by zooming in. If elements become blurred or pixelated, it's most likely a raster file. Upload raster PDFs and other image files using the Image Files button in the global action bar. While a vector PDF or other CAD file type is preferred for accuracy, customers sometimes provide scanned PDF files or even hand-drawn sketches. The Image Files button gives you the flexibility to quote these scenarios, especially for simple part images that need to be quoted quickly. Not sure if the PDF is vector or raster? Try CAD files first. If it's a raster file, the part image will not display because there's no geometry for SecturaFAB to read, and you'll know to use the Image Files option instead. Let's try uploading via Image Files. There's the part. You can crop, zoom, rotate, or reset the file. This image will display on the quote, so let's crop it. Now, designate the product type. CAD if it's a part, component if it's a purchase part like a nut, bolt, or screw, linear if it's bar, pipe, or structural, or subcontract if not all operations will be done in-house. In this example, we're using material from our inventory and doing the profiling operation, so let's choose CAD. The usual options for name, revision, machine, material, thickness, and quantity are available. You can manually override the price and border. And for machines like plasma and oxyfuel with multi-head capabilities, you can define the number of heads. Quoting image files differs in this section, where you directly enter the external cutting length and any internal features. Based on the values you input, SecturaFAB calculates an estimate for a rectangular blank size. Because there is no geometry, everything is treated like a rectangle. The resulting true weight will be closer to rectangular weight than if a CAD file were used. If your part has angles, like this one, you can enter a value to override the perimeter to drive accuracy. Choose New Line Item to add the part to the quote. As an alternative for quoting part images, you can use SecturaFAB Shape Library. Select Shapes and review the drop-down for a comparable option to adjust. If you quote a unique shape frequently, ask your SecturaFAB partners about professional services to have a shape created for you.